Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change wiper blades on a Ford Mustang. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and your new wiper blades. Make sure your new blades are the correct length for your vehicle, typically around 20 to 22 inches for the driver's side and 20 inches for the passenger side. Park your Mustang on a level surface and turn off the ignition before you begin. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be cautious not to let it snap back, as this could damage the glass. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the hook on the wiper arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. After installing the first blade, repeat the exact same steps for the other wiper blade on your Mustang. Once both new blades are in place, turn on your car and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they make full contact with the glass and clear the water smoothly. This simple maintenance helps maintain clear visibility and driving safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.